Hello guys, I'm Sony. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 3 amazing opportunities for freshers and developers. These roles are perfect if you want real product experience, startup exposure, and strong tech growth. We will cover opportunities from Terrabyte, TheInnerlabs, and Pitchmatter. So make sure to watch till the end because each role targets a different skill set. The first opportunity is from Terrabyte, and they are hiring for the role of full stack developer intern. This is a 6-month internship with a stipend of 30,000 per month. The job location is Bangalore, and this is an in-office role. Terabyte is building Plotpix, which is an AI-powered microdrama platform. This platform converts ideas into short, binge-worthy, animated stories. The company is focused on making content creation faster, cheaper, and scalable globally. In this role, you will work on both web and mobile development. You will build applications using React and Flutter. On the backend side, you will develop APIs using Node.js. You will also create responsive UI using HTML and CSS. You will collaborate with the designers and developers to build real product features. You will also help in debug issues, improve performance, and write clean and scalable code. You should know basic of JavaScript, React, and Node.js. Understanding of HTML, CSS, and responsive design is required. Familiarity with Flutter and RESTful APIs is also expected. You should also know Git and version control basics. Most importantly, you should have a strong willingness to learn and build products. Yes, you will get exposure to end-to-end product development. You will work with a highly skilled team. You will also build products for a global audience. Now coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Inner Labs and they are hiring for the role of full stack software engineer, and this is a remote internship and candidates from India can apply. The stipend ranges between 2.4 LPA to 3 LPA, and this role requires a minimum commitment of 30 hours per week. That's around 4 hours a day. This is not a theory based internship, this is a hands on engineering role where you will work on real backend system. The company is building a product focused on analyzing large scale unstructured data. They work closely with AI systems and external APIs. You will design backend systems for processing large volume of data. You will integrate with external APIs and AI services. You will also build data pipelines and internal tools. You will also work on performance and system scalability. The core backend is built using Java and they also use Python for AI and data workflows. You will work with SQL and NoSQL databases, and the systems are cloud hosted, so you must have a knowledge of cloud computing and all. You should have a strong understanding of backend or system engineering. You should be comfortable working with real world messy data, and knowledge of APIs and data driven systems is important. The company values problem solving ability and ownership mindset more than specific technologies. This is an early stage team, so you will have real impact on the product and you will get exposure to modern AI systems without needing deep ML knowledge. Now, coming to the third opportunity, this one is from Pitchmatter and they are hiring for the role of Flutter mobile developer, and this is internship. You will work on their product called Zyking, and this is a swipe based AI matching platform for startups. Think of it like a mix of LinkedIn and Tinder for business networking. You will build mobile UI using Flutter. You will develop features like login, profiles, and digital business cards. You will integrate Firebase and backend APIs. You will also participate in testing, sprints, and product launches. You should have a strong knowledge of Flutter and Dart. You should be familiar with Firebase or API integration. Having a portfolio or GitHub projects will be a big advantage. You will get real startup exposure and you will also work closely with the core product team, and there is also a chance of full-time conversion after the internship. And yeah, in all the three internships I discussed, the minimum eligibility is no experience required, so any fresh graduate from 2025 or 2024 with 0 to 1 year of experience can definitely apply. And also no particular graduate degree is required, but you should have right skills for the role and a proper technical degree. So yeah, these were the three quick opportunities. Each role is different, so choose based on your skills. Apply links are in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities like these, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.